Hello, the audience of Jotphila channels. Welcome back again to the new episode of my son's channel, Jotphila. Today I'm going to give a short lectures to you, or sharing. Yeah, I think that's a good term in making the video, not short lectures. Yeah. So today I'm gonna lecturing about again. I'm gonna sharing again about my favorite racket. It's Ning Windstorm 72. So I often use this racket. It's because this racket is the light racket but give you extra power in smash. So if you're a dominant player, or you are also if you like also to control the shuttlecock, this racket, it's the perfect racket for you. So let's see one by one about this racket. I'm going to start from the bottom of this racket, which is the grip, and I'm gonna show you this one, but I don't know whether that you can see it or not. This logo in the color of orange to pink color. This is the orange to pink color. Well, it's a sign of that the racket is high quality version of Ning racket, and the price also it's above 1 million, and that's what I didn't like of this racket. So let's start what I didn't like from this racket. Number one, I don't know if I don't like this racket. I like this racket so much. Yeah, so let's start from the grip. Again, the grip. This is the most unstructured lectures that I ever made. My God, if my student found about this, where am I gonna put my face? Where to put your face? Your face in here, above your neck, you know? It's just a phrase. So let's start with the grip. Okay, let's talk about the grip. The grip of this racket, Ning Windstorm 72, it's G5. The number of G5 is approximately like 27 millimeters times 30 millimeters, or 2.7 centimeters times 3 centimeters. That's G5. The things is, the bigger the number of the G, the smaller size that you have for the grip. For example, if you have like G4, which means that the size will be bigger than 3 centimeters. But this racket, they said that is G5, but I don't think that is G5. Maybe it's G6. It's because the size is less than 27 millimeters, I think. This is a small grip. It will make easy for me to control the racket if the grip is really suit on my palm. Give you a good experience when you grip the racket, because I have a small palm. So if you choose a bigger size of this grip, you cannot handle the grip really well. You cannot grip really well, and when you smash it, and especially when you swing the racket with your wrist, your racket will fly away. and it will hit your partner or even the worst, the umpire, and you're gonna be banned from the badminton forever. So a really good size. Also, the smaller the grip, according to my opinion, smaller the grip, it gives you more benefit in controlling and driving the racket. Drive the shuttlecock or controlling your racket. So when you do the swing of the wrist, this racket with a small grip will give you extra power. So what they didn't write down on this racket is the distance, not the distance. What do you think? This is Budapest, Debrecen. No, the length. Yes, that's the good word. The length from here to here, it's 20 centimeters or equals to 200 millimeters. So 20 centimeters from here to here. What else that you will find in this racket? Yeah, you can see in here, this is the serial number in here. When you bought it, you can scratch this one to see your number. Yep, the number of the product, and you can check it online, the number of product, or scan this barcode. You can check the number of the product, and you can see whether this is the original leaning racket or not. I already opened this one, and this is the rackets become nude. So this is on the other rackets. Like I mentioned before, I have several rackets. On this racket, it's not made by the wood. I think this is a synthetic wood, or they cover the wood with plastic or resin. I think this is what they call the resin, or maybe a carbon fibers. They cover it, the grip with this one, and you're gonna put the grip, the leaning grip again, the leaning grip with the green colors. I'm gonna put in here, green colors in here. So this is when you open the cover of this grip. In this grip, I don't think you should put a sticky tape like this to cover it all. I don't think it's necessary, because this is not made by the wood. It's made by resin. This resin is very strong to cover the frame and the shaft. They cover also the grip with the resin. See how strong it is. So that's about the grip. Second one, what I want to talk to you, it's about the design of the connection between the grip and the shaft. The latest version of this racket, which is the Ning Windstorm 75, the connection between the racket, the grip, and the shaft, it's none. In here you can see there is still connectors in here. The grip part here, the grip part, and the shaft part. But in the Ning Windstorm 75, the latest version of this Windstorm racket, there's none in here. There's no connection. It's like no one piece hole. But in this racket is the previous version of the Ning 75. My son has a review about that. I asked my son to do a review about that racket, Ning Windstorm 75. That's also a fabulous racket for dominant player and for controlling. So let's talk about this one. This, when you see in here, they write down an ES in here. There is an extra logo ES in here. Why ES? ES, which is extra skill power. Extra skill, not extra skill power, extra skill. What means with extra skill is this racket will give you extra skill on driving a shuttlecock and also controlling the racket. And not only controlling, but also give you a benefit of smashing, like I mentioned before. That's what they call an extra skill. And you have the original logo in here. If you can see in here, there's an original logo in here. let's move to the shaft. In here, as you can see, there is an UHB shaft technology. The UHB shaft technology, it's a new technology. It's a patent of technology from Ning, I think. The UHB shaft technology, it's really give you extra power in smash, and it's more effective when you perform a half smash. Half smash, it give you improve your skill. That's why it's called an extra skill before. To improve your skill with this technology, what they collecting the data from the research, from the opinion, from the not opinion but the research from the players, they come into a pattern they call UHB shaft. Like I mentioned before, it gives you an extra benefits when you perform a smash, especially in the half smash, and it gives you more feel about the racket. And that's why they designed the racket in here. It's very slim shaft technology in here, and the top of the shaft they make it's really slim, and that's why the meaning of extra slim in here, it's give you more control feelings, especially when to perform the half smash. And the size, it's like 0.7 centimeters or 7 millimeters. It gives you high aerodynamic power when you want to swing your racket. Yeah, again for the half smash. And for the skill player, not really suitable for the dominant player, but it's for the skill player. It's really give you more feeling in controlling the racket. Yeah, that's what that extra skill. I want to make a correction. The extra skill, which means will improve your skill. It's really suitable for the skill player. But according to my opinion, this racket is also good for the dominant player. And also the balance point. The balance point of this racket, that's the things also they didn't write down here. They write down everything, the technology of UHB shaft, the weight, the maximum tension, the technology of the the Dynamic-Optimum Frame. Yeah, they write down everything in here. What they didn't write down is the most important thing is the balance point. So when you measure from here to here, it's 31.5 centimeters or 315 millimeters. So when you measure from here to here with your tape or your measurement with the rulers, the balance point is this. See in here, the balance point in here. So when you measure from here to here, it's 31.5 centimeters or equals to 315 millimeters. The balance point above 280, it's categorized as a head heavy racket. What is head heavy racket? Head heavy racket is really special to generate a smash power, and that's why in the beginning I always explain this is the racket is really good for the dominant player and extra skill for a skilled player. It's really good option for all around racket, I think. Yeah, since the balance point is high, 315 millimeters, it's gonna boost and give you an extra power of your smash. It generate and channeling up all your power come from your legs, shoulders, elbow, wrist, and it will distribute and channeling with this racket perfectly, effectively to hit the shuttlecock. And yeah, you can see in here they use a TB Nano in here. Yes, a TB Nano, and with the help of the of the TB carbon fibers. It's combination from carbon fiber and resin, and what they call TB Nano, and it will make the racket lighter but tougher than before. The weight is only 72. If you can see in here, it's 72. Yes, it's 72 in here. But this racket can handle a 30 lbs for the string. So since that we talked about the string, let's move to the frame. This is the frame. So this racket use what they call a Dynamic-Optimum Frame. It's written in here, a Dynamic-Optimum Frame. Yes, a Dynamic-Optimum Frame. What is a Dynamic-Optimum Frame? It's a Dynamic-Optimum Frame is the newest technology of leaning. It will give another perspective of the badminton player to hit the shuttlecock. They increase the sweep point of the racket in here and in here also as well. It gives you, since that the sweep point of the racket is in here, you know, when you hit the racket in here, it will give you a good momentum when you hit the shuttlecock. So they increase those sweep point to make you easier to control, to make you easier to hit the shuttlecock. The frame of this racket using the Dynamic-Optimum Frame and also Aerotec Beam System. Aerotec Beam System is the new system developing by leaning, by gathering the data from the research. It's the frame. About the frame, they build the structures and the frame selection have a really low drag coefficient but high intensity, so it will enable you to perform a various shoot. Optimum frame with the technology of the Aerotec Beam System, it's a perfect combination of this racket. What else in the frame? In the frame also you have 70 holes in here, I think. Why it's 70 holes? Or they call it, I don't know, in Bahasa we call it Grommets in here. You see in here the Grommets, it's a lot to give you, so when you put the string, it's not easy to broken, because you have 76, I think, whole Grommets, I think, while the other racket, the Grommets itself, it's only 60 something, and then the string has a lot of gap, between the string, and then you cannot tie the string until here. It's because the Grommets, it's only few. But so that's the frame also, and based on the specification that I mentioned before, what I like from this racket, it's the color. Take a look at the color. The combination of the purple, pink and green will give you a determination when you enter the badminton court. It's it's really suitable for you. The color is fabulous, but the colors, it's not metallic, it's doff. That's make this color more outstanding. The combination of the color more outstanding is because it's a doff, in the doff color. Not the doff, it's also a little bit shiny, but not in the metallic color. And also when you feel, when you feel the shaft and the painting works in here, it's the painting, it's slight arise, so you can feel it in here. The painting, it's little bit come up to the surface. Really love this racket so much. Okay, let's talk about several things that I don't like from this racket. Since this racket, it's have this bottom color of grip, the bottom color of this racket, it's pink to orange. What I mentioned before, the pink to orange racket it's also a sign that this racket price is above 1 million rupiah IDR, 1 million IDR. So the price itself is, you can see in here, 1.4 rupiah IDR in Aerotec. But with this quality of this racket, if you can find on Victor's or Yonex, maybe the price it's like 2 million or even 3 million rupiah. That's why I don't like Yonex. Not only the price, but I have several Yonex racket like Astrox, or no, not Astrox. Astrox, and the other one is Arccyber. Arccyber 10, I think. The color is red, but I already give it to someone. The feeling is not there. So this is a quick review about this racket. Ning Windstorm 72 grams, a light, powerful racket with medium price, with a TB Nano, with the super light technology, optimum dynamic frame, and what else? Yeah, that's all I think. Hopefully you enjoy these short lectures, not short lectures, short sharing about this racket. And if you want to give a comment about how do you feel in this racket, I use this racket is almost for like 2 or 3 years, I think. But until now, I quite love this racket more than the other rackets. You know, if you're a dominant player, I will suggest you to use the Ning Super Series 88 generation 7 generation. I have the white and black colors. It's really good for you for a dominant player. I will recommend you, if you are a dominant player and you like to control also as well, you have to use the Ning Windstorm, not Ning Windstorm 78, 77, 76, no. Use the Ning Windstorm 75 and 72 grams. It's good for you. So see you on the next episode of Villa Jofiers. Hopefully you enjoy the video. With the leaning grip. So hopefully you enjoy the videos. Again, leave a comment and subscribe if you like, so we can share more videos. Yeah, my son is handling this channel. I made this video for him to improve his channel. He likes to get a lot of subscribers, but when he performs the videos, when he made the videos, the YouTube will block the comment if the component or the actors of that video is a kids, then they will block the comment. It's not really good for my sons also, but it's to prevent my son from the negative things on social media. But he really likes to improve his channel, so please subscribe to these channels and subscribe and give the what you call it, like button, not button, icon. Click the like icon and share it if you like. So, and we're gonna see you on the next video of Villa Jofiers. Going to cover this one later, but not now. Later I'll do it. It's more comfort for me. See you. Bye. Enjoy your skateviering.